Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Can't Let Go Geometry Dash on piano, updated. Start by finding the song's root note, then isolate the melody using single notes. Count the beats aloud and tap them on the keyboard while watching the level. Slow practice builds muscle memory, so play sections repeatedly and gradually increase speed. Focus on consistent timing and relaxed fingers to keep the melody clean and expressive. Warm up with simple scales and hand stretches before tackling the song's motifs. Use your right hand for the main melody and keep chords minimal to avoid clutter. Loop tricky bars and practice them slowly until finger patterns become automatic. Once comfortable, add dynamics and small ornaments to mimic the game's intensity. Stay patient and consistent, and you'll notice steady improvement in timing and confidence. Start arranging by transcribing the melody and marking key rhythmic hits from the level. Keep the arrangement lean, thin left-hand bass, and a focused right-hand melody work best. Reduce busy arpeggios to clear single-note patterns when needed to preserve clarity. Use light chords to fill space and sparing pedal to blend longer notes. Test the arrangement against the game audio to ensure it feels faithful and playable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.